Good evening, students. Welcome back to English class. So, yesterday we have completed Rabindranath Tagore lesson, right? So, today I'm going to explain word study. Okay? Okay. Can you see now? Okay. So, look at here, all of you open your notebook and learn meanings here. I'm going to explain the meanings. Okay? So, look at here the first word, fondly. So fondly means, what is the meaning of fondly here? Dearly or affectionately. Write it first. If you learn the meaning, then only you will complete your worksheet. Okay, workbook. So what is the first word here? Fondly. Fondly means dearly or affectionately. So what they call the students, Rabindranath Tagore students are calling affectionately like Gurudev. They call him Gurudev. It's affection, right? So that word came here. Next word, genius. What is the meaning of genius? A person with great intellectual power. That means he's an intelligent person. Okay? Simply we can call intelligent person. Next one, word style. Word style means here able to do many different things. As we all know that he is a poet, novel writer, and also he is a painter, right? He's an educationalist. So he have knowledge in all these things. We can call such person versatile. Okay? Versatile means able to do many different things. Many different numerous. So what is the meaning of numerous? A great number of. A great number of. Okay? Next. Next word, heredity. Heredity. Hereditary. Hereditary means here passing by inheritance. Passing by inheritance. Passing by inheritance. That means the thing, the property, whatever comes from the ancestors, grandfathers, grandparents are there now. So whatever the property belongs to them, we have to achieve from them. Okay, whatever the qualities or properties. Next one, aristocratic. Aristocratic. So what is the meaning of aristocratic? That means upper class, higher class. Okay. So what is the higher class? It is toggers. They are the toggers. Anglicized. Anglicized. So what is the meaning of anglicized here? Anglicized means make English. To convert into English. Make English. make English. Okay. Yes, right? In your notebook, any notebook, and learn. Next, rambling. Rambling. So what is the meaning of rambling? Writing. Spreading in various direction. In various direction. With no particular pattern. Okay, right. Okay. Is it visible now? Okay. Shall I get the first two meanings so that I will place remaining meanings here? I hope you have completed. Okay. The next word is mansion. Mansion means here building, a very big house. Mansion is a very big house. Who has mansion here? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Next. Conform. Conform means comply with. Next. Conventional. Conventional means an accepted custom, an accepted custom. Custom means here old methods. Okay. Acceptance of old methods. If you complete previous lessons, then write in your paid notes now. If you have any incomplete in the previous lessons, then you write in your rough notes. Okay. Next. Inherent. Inherent means here inactive. Next. Specimen. Who are compared as specimens here? The students who are studying in the schools. The students are compared with specimens. Typical examples. Typical examples. Okay, next one. Pelt. To attack. By throwing something. To attack by throwing something. So what are throwing here? Rabindranath Tagore said that Here, lessons are throwing by the teachers like a hailstones. So here saying what are throwing here? Lessons which start by the teachers. Okay. Next. When means to attack by throwing something. Hailstones. Hailstones. So what is the meaning of hailstones here? Small lumps of ice. Small lumps. Lumps of ice. Okay. Might you observed when it is raining. Okay. Jingle. Jingle means here words, a rhyme. Rhyme. Easy to learn. Easy to learn and remember. So here jingle means rhymes. So when you are in nursery class, might you have learned these rhymes. So like that, Rabindranath Tagore first time learned one of the rhyme. So he was attracted by the rhyme. Then when he was 7 years old, he started writing poems. Okay, right fast. Shall I read the ninth and tenth one? Reveal. Next one, reveal. What is the meaning of reveal here? Make known. To come to know. Make known. Okay. Admiration. Admiration. So what is the meaning of admiration here? How high regard her. How high regard her. High regard means high respect. So here, who has high regard for? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee have high regard for Rabindranath Tagore. Next, doing. What is the meaning of doing? Highly regarded person. A highly regarded, highly regarded person. Okay. So who is here doing? Who is called doing in this lesson? According to this lesson, who is doing? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay. Garland. Red with red of leaves and flowers. So by using thread, we tie flowers and leaves together. That is called a garland. Okay, a red of leaves or flowers. Experimental. What is the meaning of experimental here? Based on experiments. Based on experiments. So that means depending on experiments. By doing experiments, so that we will know something new. Okay. So what experiment has done in this lesson? Rabindranath Tagore established one of the new school. Okay. So where the students should learn from the nature. Okay, not in the classrooms. So that experiment done by this lesson. Okay. So he established one of the school. What is the name of the school? It's Shantiniketan. Okay. Next, impose. Impose means here established as compulsory. Established as compulsory. Established as compulsory. Sensibility. Sensibility means here delicacy of feeling. Okay. Bounties. Bounties means here reward. Reward. Right fast. Okay. Aesthetic. Shall I write the 17th, 18th figure meaning? Okay. So aesthetic. 25th one, aesthetic. So what is the meaning of aesthetic here? Relating to beauty. Okay, beauty and art. And art. So the student should be aesthetic. According to Rabindranath Tagore, student should be aesthetic. Means they come to know that they love the nature. Okay, they love the beauty of the nature. So that's why he called the students aesthetic. Next, elated. 26th one, elated. Elated means here filled with joy. Filled with joy. So when he filled with joy, when he come to know that he got Nobel Prize for his Gitanjali, so he was elated with joy. Okay, he was elated. Uplift. Improve the condition. Improve the condition. Ruthless. Having no pity. So what we are doing with ruthless? So we are cutting down the trees without having pity. So here, without having pity is called ruthless. Having no pity. Next, deforestation. Deforestation means here action or process, action or process of clearing of forest or trees. Okay. That's nothing but cutting down the trees. 30th one. Ceremonies. What is the meaning of ceremonies? Formal act. Formal act. Prescribed by prescribed by law or convention, ritual or convention. Okay. Next, accompany. Accompany means go with. Go with. Okay. Next word 32. Invoke. Invoke. Invoke means call for the help. Call for the help. Massacre. Killing of large number of humans, especially in a cruel way. In a cruel way. Okay. So who killed here? Britishers killed Indians. Okay. In Jallianwala Bagh, right? So at that time they killed cruelly to the Indians. That is called here massacre. Pursue. Pursue. Pursue means make uneasy. Make uneasy. So by seeing that, he felt busy that, okay, disproportionate, disproportionate, lacking, lacking proportion, lacking proportion. Okay, next, severity. Severity means here harshness, inflict, inflict, inflict means cause to suffer, cause to suffer. Okay, next, parallel. Parallel means here person. Person or event, etc. Event, etc. Precisely similar. Okay. Next. Satvik, what are you doing? Don't send any message. Just concentrate on the class. Why are you disturbing others? First write, then you show me your notes. Next. Renowned. 39. Renowned. So what is the meaning of renowned? Give up or leave. Give up or leave. What he gave up? He gave up his Knight Award, which has given by the Britishers. Knighthood. Knighthood. The rank of knight. The rank of knight. Bestow. Bestow. So what is the meaning of bestow? Means give. 42. Acknowledge. Admit as true. Admit as true. Okay, these are the meanings. Okay, write everyone. And students, you must learn these meanings. Okay, if you learn perfectly these meanings, then only you are able to complete your workbook. Okay, all the bits are related to these meanings. That's why you have to learn. Did you understand? First of all, write and then learn. Okay, students, hope you understand today's class. We are running out of time. So, everyone must learn the meaning. Okay, I'm going to conclude class here. Thank you.